welcome back to Charm Love by Carolyn. First of all, I would like to thank all of the new subscribers for your subscribes, your views, and your likes. Thank you so very much. It is very much appreciated. All right, Charm fam, today I will be making a bracelet from some stuff I found in my stash again, and it includes this Buddha charm that I got from, I think it was Fire Mountain Gems some years ago. These, now I'm gonna put the name at the bottom so you can see, but these are, it starts with a Q. I want to say Qinghai beads, Qinghai Jade. I'm gonna put the name at the bottom, y'all. And these are some beads I had got from Amazon some time ago. I'm gonna also be using this veil, which I got from Amazon, and this decorative headband that I also got from Amazon some time ago. I'm gonna have these spacers, and I think I got these from Bargain Bead Box, and some jump rings. And of course, I'm going to be using my little stretchy string, and I got a ruler just in case. And for tools, I'm going to be using some flat nose or just like pliers to open my jump rings with. All right, Charm fam, I know this is a mess right now, so I'm going to get this all straightened out, and I will be right back. Don't go anywhere, Charm fam. All right, Charm fam, I've got everything laid out as best as I can. So now what I'm about to do is I'm just about to simply string the bracelet, see what it comes out to be. I don't have a pattern. I didn't think about it really before I started. So we're just gonna go with it, see how it turns out. And as always, Charm fam, I'm going to play the music. Enjoy. You can string along with whatever you have in your stash if you so choose to. So I'm gonna start the music, I'm gonna string this, and we're gonna see how it comes out at the end, Charm fam. All right, let's get into it, Charm fam. Charm Fam, I have gotten it all strung up. I knew y'all shook there for a little minute. My bad. I'm so sorry. But yes, I have gotten it all strung up. Let me try to keep it on the string, y'all. And I've gotten my Buddha charm all hooked to the bell and everything. And I know y'all saw, like, my bell just wanted to jump away from me. But I caught up with it, y'all. So now what I'm going to do, Charm Fam, is, because this is a one-sided charm, so, okay, that's the way he goes. So I'm going to try to get him on there so he will be on the right side, because it's not a double-sided charm, y'all. All right, Charm Fam, so I'm about to place my charm on my bracelet. And all right, as always, Charm Fam, I'm about to do my secure tying to make sure it does not come apart. So I'm not going to count. I'm just going to tie, Charm Fam. I know y'all have heard me count plenty of times. So okay, if this string want to go right today, Charm Fam. All right, got it. Got it. All right, Charm Fam, there we go. Now, all right, Charm Fam, let's see. Okay, there we go. Now, there we are. Okay. All right, Charm Fam. I am going to, as usual, put my glue on, cut my string, and I'll be back with the finished product. So don't go anywhere, Charm Fam. All right, Charm Fam, I am back, and here is the finished product. I glued my knot, I cut my my string, excuse me, and now we have our Qinghai Jade Buddha bracelet. Like I said, I'm gonna put the name at the bottom so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Maybe somebody can pronounce it. If so, please put it in the comments, because it's a Q. It's Qinhai. So yeah, if anybody can pronounce that, can you please put it in the comments for me, because I don't know how to pronounce it. It kind of twists my tongue up a little bit. But yeah, Charm Fam, here we are. My bracelet, my Jade bracelet with my Buddha charm. I hope you enjoyed. If anybody stopped by to watch, thank you so very much. I appreciate you all immensely. Like, comment, and subscribe if you are so inclined to, Charm Fam. And until next time, thank you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.